Looking for an elegant dessert for your Christmas dinner? How about Chestnut Cream Profiteroles? A classic French delight, it's the perfect festive treat. You'll need choux pastry, chestnut cream, and dark chocolate. Got all the ingredients? Great, let's move to the exciting part, the preparation. First things first, the choux pastry. It's easier than you might think. Begin with a simple mixture of water, butter, and flour. Once it's at a dough-like consistency, add in your eggs one at a time. The key here is to achieve a smooth, glossy mixture. When it comes to baking, a hot oven and the correct timing are crucial for that quintessential puff. Keep a keen eye, my friends, and there you have it, the perfect choux pastry. Now let's fill them up with chestnut cream. Next, we'll make the chestnut cream. It's creamy, sweet, and absolutely delightful. Start by pureeing cooked chestnuts with sugar until smooth. Then, fold in whipped cream for a light, airy texture. Once your cream is ready, it's time to fill your choux pastries. Cut a small hole in the bottom of each pastry and pipe in your delicious chestnut cream. Make sure each puff is generously filled but not bursting. Now that we've filled our choux pastries, it's time for the final touch, the dark chocolate drizzle. Nothing completes a dessert like a rich dark chocolate drizzle. Melt the chocolate until it achieves a silky consistency. Then elegantly drizzle it over your filled choux pastries, letting the warm chocolate cascade down the sides and pool at the base. For a truly show-stopping presentation, consider arranging the profiteroles in a pyramid or lining them up on an elegant serving platter. A dusting of powdered sugar can add a final touch of winter magic. And voila! Your elegant chestnut cream profiteroles are ready to impress at your Christmas dinner. These chestnut cream profiteroles are not just beautiful, they are delicious too. With a few simple steps, you can create an elegant dessert that's sure to impress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking and enjoy your Christmas dinner!